today, I'm gonna show you how to make a tempered chocolate tic-tac-toe board. There are a few ways to temper chocolate. I'm gonna show you the seeding method. We start at 45 degrees Celsius melted. We're gonna add our chocolate into the bowl. It'll bring down the temperature quickly, between 27 and 28 degrees Celsius. This game is made of the board, the grid, and the X's. First, I'm gonna show you how to make the board. I'm gonna pour the chocolate onto the acetate. I wanna move from corner to corner, and we're gonna bang it. And what that does is it flattens it out. We're gonna allow this to set. Okay, it's still a little soft, but it's not sticking to my hand. This is the perfect time to score the board. And if it's fully set and you go to score it, you will crack the board. Now I wanna flip it to the shiny side. Quick flip. Beautiful. See how shiny? You can see your reflection in there. Now it's time to assemble my board. I've made strips of tempered white chocolate, measure it up. Now I can score the grids that are laying on top of the bottom ones. And then your best friend for cutting chocolate when it's set is a knife and a torch. Do not put pressure on the knife. You run the risk of cracking the grid line. The heat will melt it right through. Now I want to glue the grid to the board using our leftover ruby chocolate. I'm going to show you how to make our chocolate X's. I have my X molds and my powdered color. I've tempered my white chocolate. Color it whatever you like. Next, I want to prep my mold. The inside of the mold needs to be polished. And we're ready to fill it. I prefer piping bags when I'm filling mold. It's cleaner and it's more precise. You can also pour your chocolate into your mold and then you can scrape it flat. Give it a quick tap. It levels out. My chocolate is set. I'm gonna pop them out with my thumbs just like that. See how beautiful and shiny those are? Beautiful. So there you have it, the tic-tac-toe board game.